Owning a car brings freedom, and maintaining it should be just as effortless. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we're spotlighting Maruti Suzuki's Smart Maintenance Plan, a comprehensive maintenance program designed for a smoother, worry-free ownership experience. With Smart Maintenance Plan, scheduled maintenance becomes simple, predictable and hassle-free. Available for both private and commercial vehicles, the Smart Maintenance Plan supports your journey for years to come. Choose from flexible plans designed to suit your needs. 2 years or 20,000 kilometers, 5 years or 50,000 kilometers, or up to 10 years or 1 lakh kilometers. And with the ease of renewal anytime within the 10-year period, you stay covered year after year. Need more out of Smart Maintenance Plan? It also offers wear and tear add-ons for components like clutch and brakes. And that's not all. Enjoy pan-India validity with service support across Maruti Suzuki's extensive network. Visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki Authorised dealer workshop to avail Smart Maintenance Plan. Drive on with confidence. Click on the link given in description to know more. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.